Want to know how to contact support in Google One? So if you need help with anything, you can just simply contact the Google One support or the Google support team in order to help through it, or research accordingly to get your solution. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Google One application, and you should be under this interface by default on the home page. And on the top left side, you should be seeing this three-dot icon right here, which is your menu. Just simply open it up, and now once your menu interface opens up, here you should be seeing help on the top below settings. So you can just simply select that. So now once you have selected help, as you can see right here, you should be seeing your interface loading up on the help. So here is your account. Here you can just simply search out for your help and also post the help in community. This is the best way to do it. You can also send feedback right here, and that's it. This is how you access support in Google One. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.